Hi everyone, Ryan Platt here from 40 Digital Media. Today we're going to talk about 5 different content ideas to get you started on Instagram or Facebook for either your practice or your business. Obviously, 40 Digital Media specializes in dental marketing, so this may lean a little bit more towards that side of things. But remember, for any kind of business or really any kind of social media account, if you really want to start building a following and promoting yourself and getting yourself out there from a digital presence standpoint, all these can be tweaked to whatever your needs may be. The first thing is going to be general information about your practice or your business. What are your hours? If you're a dental practice, what kind of services do you offer? Maybe a list of services. What do you need to bring to your first appointment? How much of a consultation costs? Frequently asked questions, things of that nature. The second thing, patient or client testimonials. Now, these can be done in a number of different ways, and we've had a lot of success with all of these. It can be just a straight image graphic where it's just words on a picture. It can be a reel where you have different animations and a picture behind the words or the testimonial itself. Or better yet, perhaps you have a video testimonial from a patient. Those tend to be the most powerful because that's somebody who's actually had your service or, in the case of a business, use your product. So people are going to be more apt to listen to them or take what they say a little bit more readily than simple words on paper. Words are easy, but when you have somebody actually giving their testimonial firsthand, it carries a lot more weight. The third, procedural or service promotion. So specific services or specific procedures you offer your patients or your clients. Perhaps you specialize in dental implants or you specialize in full arch care. Promote those. Use those as specific posts that you can use throughout the month and really be able to plan those out ahead of time so you have an idea of exactly what things are going to look like. Fourth, initiatives, things that are important to you, holidays important to you, causes that are important to you. Are you somebody that is very passionate about research involved with cancer research or diabetes research? Perhaps you want people to donate to a specific cause or a specific charity. Promote those. Any kind of holidays like that really kind of break up the monotony of being sold to all the time for whoever is following you or seeing your content. It's going to garner you more engagement. And finally, the fifth thing to get you started on Instagram or Facebook, some behind the scenes stuff. People love seeing everybody having fun at work. Work can be monotonous, boring. So why not show everybody having a good time, enjoying their job, having a good time at what they do, and really making it a good experience for everybody involved. People are going to be more apt to visit your practice or your business if they know they're going to walk into an environment that's full of joy, laughter, happiness, and not just people getting through the day in a mundane setting, just kind of blah. So just some thoughts. Check it out. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Love to hear feedback. Take care.